welcome back. So today what we're gonna do is a real simple mod. We're installing these window visors on all 4 windows of the Tundra behind me. Fanny's already prepping the surface back there. It's just an alcohol wipe. This specific kit comes with them. She's just gonna clean out some of the gunk that's inside the window. And then these all just 3M tape in. Should be pretty easy, so let's go. So first things prep, we're taking an alcohol wipe here and we're just wiping inside the window jamb all the way through. And this is just to prepare the surface inside because we want the 3M tape to adhere. The first thing you want to do after you've done your prep is basically peel the 3M, and this is where it's really important to buy a kit that has, like, you know, some level of flexibility, some maybe shatterproof, because you'll need to kind of manipulate the window visor in there, and you don't want corners and, you know, the plastic to just crack. So she's peeling the 3M, and then she'll just slide it up into the window jamb. And then when you put the window up, it actually presses the 3M into position, really. So here we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the window up and basically press it all in. So we're putting the window up now, nice and slow. And you can see it really presses it on nicely. And we're just gonna leave that on probably for 24 hours at least, and make sure it has plenty of time to stick. You don't wanna go up and down 10 times, so you wanna seat it properly and then press that thing on. So we're now at the front window, and what we're gonna do is start the peel again. We've already cleaned it, and you gotta remember that this one's longer, it's a little bit more technical, and again, you wanna pick a product that can flex because you're gonna have to manipulate this a little bit to get it in there, and you don't want it to crack. So once we seat it into position, then we'll come back and put the window up and press it all in. And now we'll put the window up. All right, putting the window up now. Once it gets past that first little section, it all presses in nicely, but definitely take your time. It looks really, really clean. All right, that's it. Really happy with it. Looks sick. This is really cool just because when you have dogs, you want to open the window. You don't want rain to get in. You want the dogs to be able to breathe. So it ends up being really helpful for that because you can crack the window without getting any water in. It even makes like the sound that the wind makes when you have your windows open sound different, a little bit better. So really like that. But yeah, super clean. You almost can't tell it's there. So see you next time.